I've millions of little skills and little tricks and tips and blah blah blah, and I'm willing to share them all. Alright, here's a little trick I learned from Rory McConnell actually. Cool trick. You put the jazz brush in there. Have a song in it. How's that? No, like a false, no, stop, no, cool, cool, lash, cool, large, cool, lola, gun, sell, August, like, dollar, bear, fall, don't be software, free and dollar, but soon he's telling the loan. The vela, the vaha, the vela, the vaha, the vela, ban, ha, made it all, the letter, made it all, it done, said it on, let's say, I'm a dollar chat, now, gonna go to the shin last time. No bochi koning aan ten sin lasta jaren en ballen no shed en a lord de glaten top the let the dollar macharish no bochi no when I give you will you go no moching no gonna give you will you go Cool. It's nice. It's nice as a brush. You know? And you can practice the barrel without disturbing the neighbours every now and again.